Today we are going to the discussion about the potential barrier height. In this potential barrier height of the quantum mechanics, that we are the find out first the reflection coefficient and transmission coefficient. अब यसमा हामीले के गर्न consider beam of the particle of kinetic energy E and incident from the left to the potential barrier of the right of the B and width of the potential A. In this case, there is the three reason. First reason ma if Vx is equal to 0, there is the x less than A reason first. Then Vx is equal to V for the 0 greater x greater A second 2. Reason 2, the V is equal to 0 for the x greater than A for reason third. Here, if potential barrier energy E greater than kinetic energy of the particle on the both side of the barrier potential V is equal to 0, in mean that no force act upon the particle of there. In this case, the figure, this is the first reason, this is the second reason, this is the third reason. First reason is the wave particles. One is the incident particle, another is the reflected particle. This is the incident particle, this is the other reflected particle. This is the reason first, this is the second reason, this is the only one, this is the second one is the both reason. One is the transmission particle, other is the reflected particle. The reason 3 is the only one transmission particle. If the energy, if in this case of point of the classical point of view, if the kinetic energy of the particle less than the potential barrier height, in this case the particle cannot be transmitted from the one region to another region, because the classically point of view, there is the impossible to the particle transmit if the kinetic energy of the particle less than potential energy of the particle. But in the point of the quantum concept, the particles can be the transmitted if the kinetic energy of the particle less than the potential barrier height. This is the imaging point of view. This concept is known as the point of the turning point of the quantum effect. There is the three reason. First reason is the reason due to psi r dx is equal to 2me by h line square upon v1 is equal to 0. In this reason मा v is equal to 0 हुन्छ. त्यसपछि हामीले d2 psi 1 upon dx square plus k1 square upon psi 1 मान्नु छ. हो र k1 भनेको स्क्वायर रुट upon 2me upon h line square, h line भनेको रिड्युस प्लान कन्स्टेन्ट. रिजन 2 मा के हुन्छ भने d square sin x upon 2m upon e minus b. इन दिस केसमा के हुन्छ भने v नट इक्वल टु 0 हुन्छ. त्यसरी हामीले यसले सोल्युसन. त्यसपछि डेल टु साइ z इक्वल dx k2 स्क्वायर psi 1 इक्वल टु 0. द k2 इक्वल 2m स्क्वायर रुट 2m v माइनस e अपन h लाइन स्क्वायर. रिजन 3 भनेको d3 psi 3 dx इक्वल 2me अपन h लाइन स्क्वायर v1 इक्वल टु 0. दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसन. दिस सोल्युसन फर्स्ट रिजन फर्स्ट psi 1 इक्वल टु रिजन 2 इक्वल टु यो. यस्तो यसरी हामीले निकाल्न सक्छौँ. थ्याङ्क यू भेरी सो मच.